Hi, welcome back guys. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to sign up with QuillBot. As we all know, QuillBot is a website that we can use to check our grammars and summarize and many more. Maybe you want to create an account on QuillBot so you can use it. So today I am going to show you how to sign up with QuillBot. Check the video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, open your Chrome application or any browser application in your phone. Once you open it, go to this website named QuillBot.com. After you are in this website, you can see this QuillBot and at the right side this person icon. Tap on that to sign up with QuillBot. And now, as you can see, log in to your QuillBot account. You can continue with Google or continue with Facebook. For this example, I will click on continue with Google. After that, you will be directed to your accounts. Just select the accounts where you want to make a QuillBot account. For example, I want to make QuillBot account on this Gmail. I will just tap on it. And then after that, you can answer these questions to personalize your Killbot or you can just skip. But for this, I will answer this question and I will type on yes. And then school. I will tap on graduate and let's say Google search. And then tap on next. And after that, you will see here your icon. As you can see, it's not person icon anymore. It has an F on it, which indicate that you are already have a QuillBot account. There you go. If you wanted to know how to sign up with QuillBot, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to sign up with QuillBot, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.